si Mary Grace Piato is very central figure during our good government investigation. And in fact, her name again popped up during the confirmation hearing of the Committee on Justice. We wanted for the agencies involved in determining the existence of a particular person with this particular name na ma-confirm sa Committee on Justice na meron din talagang totoong Mary Grace Piatos, na hindi ito fictitious character. This is based on an actual living person. Unfortunately, the PSA came out with the report that there's no record whatsoever na meron Mary Grace Piatos na pinanganak, nagkaroon ng marriage contract or whatever, no? So in the matter of presentation of the articles of impeachment, ang sinasabi po natin, katotohanan at pawang katotohanan lamang ang ilalatag natin sa Senado at sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Our contention is that, and confirmed by the PSA, that Mary Grace Piatos does not exist and has no record. And therefore, the logical conclusion that we can derive is that the acknowledgement receipts, it would be better, lahat ho tayo excited, makilala si Mary Grace Piatos. Dahil parati ho natin ito naririnig for the past year. So, let's see kung meron talagang tao na mag-a-appear before the court na ako si Mary Grace Piatos. Excited ho tayong lahat para once and for all, mapatunayan po natin na ma-establish itong identity na ito na hindi puros haka-haka. Na yun naman po talaga yung allegation natin na ang confidential funds ay natanggap ng mga haka-haka, gawa-gawang pangalan. The logical conclusion is that those who received the confidential funds indicated under the confidential funds might probably a made-up character. Now, that's the allegation, and the only way to establish that is to a proper forum, which is being agreed by both sides, and the proper forum is the court. Let the court find out who really is Mary Grace Piatos.
I completely agree with that. No? As you've mentioned, no, that's a good point. If she does not exist, why name her as a witness? But that's exactly the point. No? This is the opportunity for her, no, if she actually exists, to come forward and say, here I am, presenting myself before the impeachment court, ready to testify. So if she does not appear, this just supports our position that she's a made-up person.